Hey, what's up everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And before we actually start the video, please check out the Team Human store, the merchandise store for the Paulio Jr. DIY channel. And if you go directly to it, you will get 10% off. I will also put promos in the description. It's Team Human, so it's pretty self-explanatory on what that means. And basically it's anything from t-shirts to mugs to hoodies to stickers to anything toddler related, whatever the case may be. And it's actually pretty inexpensive, but if you go there for the first time, you will at the minimum get 10% off, which is freaking amazing. And now we're going to get into this video where I actually underestimated this, the value of what you can do for for really nothing to make almost $6,000. And we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna jump right into it. So this is going to be a very simple video. I love to keep videos simple. I enjoy showing my my subscribers and even people just coming out to check out the channel for the first time, just different ways on how they can make some pretty quick cash for really not doing much. So there are a lot of things in life that there are good things in life that are free, so as long as you use them wisely. So we're gonna go to a simple screenshot, and it's a screenshot from my phone. That's all it is. So, okay, there's a Team Human store. I hope you can see my face. Last time it did not record my face. I don't know why. And if it's not, then I'm not re-recording it. You're just going to hear my voice. That's all. So, we're going to pop into full screen mode here. So, I just put this on the computer to make it very simple. Now, okay, you might be looking at this and going, oh my god, I gotta sign up for this, and I gotta do X, Y, and Z, and this is just so much work. Oh my god. It's really not, I promise you. So, and I actually have CJ's info to back me up big time. So, I put it into this order, basically from, everything's very simple, but anyway, I put it in order from basically the, the least amount you can make with this specific app. So the first one, Robinhood, and then going to Stash, and then going all the way up to it's called Webull, and I keep, for whatever, just because I'm so used to Red Bull, I keep thinking Red Bull. But anyway, so I've reviewed Robinhood before, and I have reviewed Stash before. Please check out those videos. Anyway, so I made sure to keep everything as simple as possible here. Okay, so there's potential here. And what it actually comes out to is $5,870. $5,870. And then you can actually repeat that cycle every year. So, let's just go into Robinhood. Robinhood is my favorite one out of all of these, just because of the extreme simplicity of it. I've done a review on it already, so it's in the investing playlist, so just check it out. And links are in the description for all three of these to sign up. Long story short, let's make this simple. You sign up for Robinhood. You click on the link, you sign up, you receive a free stock, and now it says up to $400, which means you could get Apple, you could get a Berkshire Hathaway stock, whatever the case may be. There are absolutely no fees. You do not have to deposit anything whatsoever. And then when you refer people, at 1 year, not at 1 year, but you can refer and make up to $500 in stocks as well. Or you can literally just sign up for Robinhood, receive whatever the stock you get, and cash it out. Sell it, cash it out, and close the account, and be done with it. You don't even have to go into the referral, into referring anybody if you do not want to. So, but that is an extra bonus. If you're just texting a buddy, hey, you want a free stock? Yeah, sure. Okay, cool. We both get one. And I think I'm already past my limit, but they're doing something where if you refer like 2 people or 2 to 3 people by the end of the year, they'll give you an extra stock just for free, just for doing it. So, like I said, take the referral stock and leave for Robinhood if that's what you want to do. But if you want to keep referring people, it's not going to really hurt anything just to hold on to it while you're doing this. So they cap you at $500 in making referrals, every year. So after a year goes by, you can refer and make another $500. So anyway, now moving on to Stash. So I like Stash because they're not offering you a free stock. They're actually offering you $20 in cash. So there are absolutely no fees. Okay, so let's just get into this and let's make this very simple. With Stash, you do have to sign up. Oh my god, I gotta sign up for a plan. Oh my god, Paul, what do I do? So what they do, so right now it is, it's July 26th, and let's say you signed up right now, on July 26th, then you sign up for the beginner plan, which is $1. So, $1 a month is what it is. So if you signed up right now, it would just be whatever $1 is divided by, 31 cents. So it would not be a lot. So, and the worst case scenario is you get charged another $1 in August. But anyway, you have the $20 coming in regardless. So, after that, all you have to do is deposit 1 penny into your account. That's it. So, and then from there, you can make up to $500 in referring, individuals. So every person that signs up, they get 20, you get 20. They get 20, you get 20, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So with Stash, if you're popular and you have a lot of friends or whatever it is, and you get 25 people to sign up, boom, $500. Or you click on the link, you get your 20, and then you cash out, close the account, and then be done with Stash as well. You don't have to continue to do the referrals, but obviously the referrals are where you can make, very easy, simple money. Excuse me. So, that's not even a catch. That's the catch for Stash, is that you have to sign up for some kind of plan, which is the beginner plan, which is only $1 a month. So worst case scenario, if you don't do anything else besides the $20, then you can, like I said, you can cash out the account, and worst case scenario is you leave with, $19 and some change for free. So that's the worst case scenario. I guarantee you can find somebody to refer and keep making $20. $20, you don't even have to invest it. You can just cash out and be done with it. Now, moving on to Webull, not Red Bull, not Rebull, but Webull, and The reason they call it bull is for the bull market, because the bull goes up like that. So, and a bear, when they say bear market, it's because it swipes down. So it's a crappy market. But anyway, who cares, Paul? Just show me how to do this. On the Webull, okay, there are no fees. You don't have to sign up for anything, like recurring payments, any of that kind of stuff. I do want to do a review on Webull, but this video is not what that's about. So, Webull, very simple. You sign up using the link, and then your first free stock is up to $250. Okay. So now you have that free stock. You can do whatever you want. You can sell it and cash out, close the account, be done with it if you want. Or what you do is you see number 2 there. It says free stock up to $1,400, and this is where it gets so exciting. This is where you can actually get a stock up to $1,400. So all you have to do is deposit $100 after you've received that. You've received the first free stock for signing up. You deposit $100, and then they give you the second free stock worth 6 times more than, roughly 6 times more, 5 to 6 times more than what the first stock was, which is really cool. And you can keep that 100. You don't have to invest it. And again, you can just sell off the free stocks, cash out everything, close the account, and be done with it. That's it. It's that simple. Or you can continue to refer people, like with the previous stocks, with Webull. So what I like about Webull is that if you do refer somebody and they make a deposit, you will get 2 free stocks. So, and it's the same as this. It's just like pointing at it, but it's the same as the first 2. If you refer someone and they deposit something, then you get a free stock, another free stock up to $250, and you get another free stock up to $1,400. I was really looking through and I couldn't see a cap for this. The cap for Robinhood and Stash is $500, but I'm sure there's some sort of cap with Webull. But it seems like, if we were to be realistic, because not everybody is going to get their first stock at $250. Not everybody is going to get their stock up to $1,400 on the second one. The second one will be higher, but it may not be $1,400. So, but when we just go through simply here and we go, okay, Robinhood, I sign up, maybe I get $400. Cool. Stash, I sign up, I get $20. Webull, I sign up, I get $250. I can get $250 for 1 free stock, and I can get up to $1,400 for my second free stock. And then when we include all of the referrals, like I said, if you have a Facebook, some kind of social media platform that you can put this through to people, I don't think a lot of people are going to turn down free money. It's just really inconceivable. So, and if they do, they just have these weird devil's advocate answers, like, I don't know anything about, and I'm only playing around here. Like, I don't know anything about the stock market. You don't have to, okay? Well, I don't want the government, I don't want them to have my information. They are a stock brokerage firm. They need your information in order to do this, or at least in order for you to cash out. So it's not that serious. The process of signing up for each one with the links is extremely simple, and it's obviously for Apple and for iPhone. So, yeah, I like them all, to be honest with you. I've seen nothing but gains, I mean free gains from all of them, and I'm pretty much maxed out on Robinhood and Stash, and I'm starting to max out on Webull. So there isn't a lot of incentive for me right now to do this video because I've already hit all of these caps. So I mean, if I've got to be hitting a cap soon with Webull. So right now, like I said, it's very close to $6,000 easily if you are hitting the maxes with all of these. So at the minimum, at the bare minimum, like, you have to make at least, without any referrals, without referring anybody, you should be making it at least $100 minimum. But that's without referring anybody. All you do is send a couple invites to people or put your link on a social media account, and then you can start to see, oh crap, like, I'm getting some referrals in. And then it's nice in the Stash account, because the Stash account just keeps giving you $20, and then after 25 invites, it's like, here's you should have about $520 in there after that. So, but yeah. So, but anyway, like I said, you can use the referral codes and then get your free stocks and cash out and just have some extra cash for nothing. Just close the accounts completely, or keep the accounts, keep referring people, and have the potential to make up to roughly $6,000. Like I said, it came out to 5,870. So there's definitely potential for more there, and that's what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to share it when I did hit 6,500 subscribers, but yeah, I was just in the mood to make it, and I'm not going to be able to make any videos for about 6 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this was beneficial, and it's definitely beneficial. This is free money. What the hell am I talking about? Of course this is beneficial. So but that's it, guys. I appreciate any time that you do give me, and this is something that I do personally want to give back, because like I said, I'm capped out on all of these anyway, so it doesn't mean anything to me. It's just like, hey, I love my subscribers, and I love the people that have supported the channel for a long time, especially the ones that came over from my old channel that was initially made in 2007. So but yeah, that's about it. We're not going to waste any more time here. So and like I said, each individual one is on a yearly basis, so it's like it resets after a year. Is from what I've seen for Robinhood and Stash and Webull. I just didn't see a specific cap for Webull. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this looks okay on your phone. It'll look a lot better on your on your laptop, tablet, or computer. But anyway, guys, that's it. Make sure to check out the Team Human merchandise store, and that's it. All right. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.